Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting into the phone's security area. Open Settings and go straight to Security or Lock Screen on Android, or Face ID and Passcode on iOS. You need your current passcode or valid fingerprint to proceed. This proves ownership. Once done, look for Change Passcode or Screen Lock Type. Don't waste time on menus that aren't labeled Security. Using the direct path prevents accidental resets and keeps your data protected while you make the change. Now choose the new lock method and understand why it matters. Tap Change Passcode or Screen Lock, then select PIN, Password, Pattern, or Biometric Combination. Pick a 6-digit or alphanumeric password for stronger security. A 4-digit PIN is quicker but less safe. If you enable biometrics, make sure backup PIN/password is complex because it's the fallback. Once selected, the phone will prompt you to enter and confirm the new code. Finish by confirming and testing the new passcode so you don't get stuck. Enter the code twice when prompted, then lock the phone and unlock it to verify everything works. Make sure biometric unlock and fallback PIN operate as expected. This proves the change propagated across services like Wallet or secure apps. If something goes wrong and you're locked out, use your account recovery or device-specific recovery options. Otherwise, contact authorized support to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.